In this project, I'll be testing how different objects roll down a ramp and how energy conservation plays a role in their motion. Some key concepts I'll be considering are energy types, moment of inertia, or how mass distribution affects an object's resistance to rotational acceleration, and energy conservation, or how potential energy converts into kinetic and rotational energy. I used the following items to conduct this experiment: 2 solid cylinders, a rolling pin, and a candle, 2 solid spheres, a large wooden ball and a small metal ball, and 2 different sized hollow cylinders. I began with the pure races, testing pairs of like objects. I then doubled the slope of my ramp and repeated the races with identical results, showing again that the moments of inertia were greater determinants for the rolling speeds of each object. Next, I conducted 4 mixed races, using one object from each category. In each of these races, I noticed that the moments of inertia again played a role in which objects rolled faster. The solid objects with low moments of inertia beat the hollow objects in every race. I repeated these races once again after increasing the slope of my ramp. The outcome was nearly identical, likely only increasing the overall speed, but the solid objects continued to win every race. So let's talk a little bit about what we've observed. At the top of the ramp, all of the objects hold gravitational potential energy. As those objects begin to roll, that potential energy turns to kinetic and rotational kinetic energy. The hollow objects have higher moments of inertia and roll slower because they require more energy in order to spin. On the other hand, the lower moments of inertia of the solid objects allow them to roll faster because they have more energy for the forward motion. In the end, the greater the slope angle only affected the overall speed and not which objects would win each race. At the end of the day, the law of conservation of energy still wins. It states that energy is never created nor destroyed, it simply changes form.